We are excited to launch our Impact Talks during our 5th annual DigCit Summit. We are looking for storytellers who will share a story about making an impact in local, global, and digital communities. We see this as a wonderful opportunity to skip stones, so to speak, and create ripples of goodness that will create more impacts in more communities. For the entire week of October 14th through the 18th, 2019, we will connect classrooms around the world to learn, teach, and inspire other classrooms on how to use tech for good and promote positive digital citizenship in PK to 12 classrooms and beyond, as well as share daily impact talks, and each day we'll host tweet and talk panels with our partner, EduMatch. We invite entire school communities to join us, including parents, grandparents, caregivers, educators, students, administrators, thought leaders, and community organizations. We believe that digital citizenship is something everyone needs to actively do, no matter where you live, what language you speak, or how old you are. We are one world, one human race, and we are all in this together. Our DigCit Summit will be online during DigCit Week as a resource for your school community to learn how to make an impact in local, global, and digital communities through our daily actions, both on and offline. Our impact talks are stories that solve problems, create solutions, and make impacts. We want you to focus on telling your story and impact. In order to do this well, all impact talks will be screen recordings of a slide deck where you will narrate your story. All you need to do is to decide which impact story you want to tell, write a script, create a deck, set your clock for 7 minutes, and then record your impact story. Make sure you include your name, contact information, the hashtag DigCitIMPACT, and then tell your impact story in 7 minutes. We have limited our DigCit Impact Talks to 7 minutes for a reason. We want you to tell a story about an impact that will inspire and empower others around the world. One impact story we tell a lot is the beginning of our DigCit journey, specifically our iCitizen project. If we were sharing our impact story, this would be the only story we'd tell in 7 minutes. Another example of an impact talk could be our mother and son story and the beginning of DigCit Kids. Think of your story that you want to tell. Write a script to help you narrate your talk. We'll use that script when we upload all DigCit Impact Talks onto YouTube to ensure that all impacts will include closed captions and that our impact talks are inclusive and accessible to all. You have 7 minutes to tell your impact story. The number of slides and visuals does not matter at all, nor does the platform or tool that you want to use to visually display your story. Just be sure to end with a call to action as a way to inspire others to make impacts in their communities. Wednesday, October 16th, all of our online DigCit Impact offerings will be in Spanish. That means all impact talks will also be in Spanish. You are all ready to tell your impact story. Last thing you'll need to do is add the DigCit Institute, DigCit Summit, and EduMatch logos with a message that the DigCit Impact story was told in partnership with the DigCit Institute and EduMatch during the 5th annual DigCit Summit. Sign up today to give a DigCit Impact talk with us. All 7-minute MP4 or WMV files need to be submitted by Friday, September 27th. We'll be sending daily updates with impact stories each day during our online DigCit Summit on October 14th through the 18th. For more information, visit our website, DigCitInstitute.com, or contact us at info@DigCitInstitute.com. And make sure you also register for our entire week of events where we will connect classrooms and Students Daily, and EduMatch will host tweet and talk panels each evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We look forward to learning with you during our DigCit Summit during DigCit Week.